In this video, I'm going to show you how to start generating passive income promoting Digistore24 products. And if you are new to this channel, I make videos about how to make money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use this powerful tool called trends.pinterest.com to start generating passive income with Digistore24 products. So the first thing you want to do is quite obvious. You want to create a Digistore24 account if you don't have one. And all you need to do is to go over to Digistore24.com and you want to click on register right here and you will be able to pretty much create your account. So once you have your account created, you want to over to the marketplace section. And once you do that, you are going to have access to numerous products from various niches that you can promote right away on Digistore24. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be taking this product right here as an example, the Ultimate Keto Meal Plan. So before you promote any product on Digistore24, the first thing you want to do is to make sure to check the popularity of this product, because you want to make sure other affiliates are making money with this product. And if they are making money with this product, then definitely you also have a chance of making money with this product. As you can see, this one right here has 4.6 star out of 5, which tells you this product is converting and making affiliates thousands of dollars on Digistore24. So the next step now is to basically go over to trends.pinterest.com and you want to come to this search box right here to check if that niche is trending on Pinterest right now. So now I'm going to type in keto recipe in the search bar. So after typing that, as you can see, the last time the product trended was in January 2022. And after January, you can see right here that the trend went downwards, which means people are no longer interested in this product. And now you can see it's almost end of November and this product is beginning to pick up again because a lot of people are going to start the new year resolution for trying to lose weight and all that stuff. So basically it's towards end of the year and this niche right now is popular on Pinterest. So you want to create an account on Pinterest.com if you don't have one already. So once you have your account created, the next step is very simple. You want to go over to pexels.com to look for content that you can use for absolutely free. So once you come over to pexels.com, you want to type in keywords related to that niche. And now as you can see, these are free images that I can use to make content for absolutely free without copyright issues. So now for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be downloading this image right here as an example. So now you want to click on free download. And once you do that, it's going to start downloading right away. And also if you come over here, you can see you have access to over 3,000 images that you can use without any problems. And also you have access to over 800 videos you can use as well. But I recommend you stick to photos since we are going to be using Pinterest to make money with this product. After you've downloaded the image, the next thing is to go over to canva.com. And once you come over to canva.com, you want to basically type in Pinterest right here. And you want to select this template right here that says Pinterest pin. So once you do that, you are going to have access to a lot of templates that you can select from canva.com to make your design faster. So basically you can see right here, this is an example for a product that is going to fit perfectly for this niche. So basically I'm going to click on this template right here. And once you do that, you want to click on customize this template. And here you want to basically upload the image you just downloaded on pexels.com. So once you do that, you want to basically delete this image right here. Okay. So once you delete this image, you want to grab and drop this image right here. Basically you want to change the text to something like this: the best keto recipes. Feel free to get creative with whatever you want to write right here. Okay. And you can change this section to click the link below to grab these recipes, and you can remove this link right here. So basically this is what you pretty much need to do, and you want to basically click on share and you want to download this image. So after downloading the image, you want to come back to pinterest.com, and once you come over to Pinterest, you want to click on create right here and you want to click on create pin, and you want to basically add in a title like this right here: top 10 keto recipes, and you want to type in a description like this one: the best keto recipes in one place. Click link below to get it. Okay, so now you want to go back to Digistore24 and you want to copy your affiliate link. So once you do that, you want to come over to cut.ly where you are going to shorten your affiliate link. So you are going to paste in the link in the box and you want to click on shorten. And once you shorten the link, you want to click on copy and you want to go back to your Pinterest account and you want to paste in the shorten link right here. So the final thing now is to create a board right here. and now you want to create a board and you want to type in something like keto recipe. Okay, so once you do that, you want to click on create. So basically this is all you need to do to create a board. So once you do that, you want to click on save, and now this is pretty much the step you need to do to create content on Pinterest.com for absolutely free and start getting lesser targeted traffic. So basically you want to repeat the same process by coming over to pexels.com, and you can use this content of over 3,000 images that you can use for absolutely free. So basically you can come over to grab these images, and you want to come over to canva.com, where you can basically use the ready-made template, and all you just need to do is to edit the text and upload to Pinterest.com. So basically this is how easy you can leverage the free traffic from Pinterest.com. And also keep in mind, you don't have to use this product alone. There are numerous products on Digistore24 that you can basically replicate this same strategy and start getting sales. Okay, so basically I'm going to show you another traffic source that you can use to start getting sales on Digistore24. So another traffic source you can use is by taking advantage of the free traffic you can get on YouTube. So basically once you come over to YouTube, you want to type in keto recipes right here, and you are going to find numerous videos that have been made on this keyword, and all you need to do is to filter right here, and you want to go for content made this week. Okay, because you want to work with the most relevant videos and the newest videos on this keyword. So basically once you do this, you are going to see videos that were made in this week. And now this one is an example right here that says 3 keto low carb Thanksgiving sites under 10 minutes. So you want to click on this video right here. So once you click on the video, you need to scroll down to the comment section of this video right here. So once you come over to the comment section, you want to type in something like great video, and you want to type in has anyone also used these recipes. And now once you do this, you want to go back to your Pinterest account. All you need to do is to go over to your profile, and once you come over to your profile, you want to come to the keto recipe board. And once you do that, all you just need to do is to click on this to grab the link to this pin. And now once you copy the link to this pin, all you need to do is to go back to the YouTube comment, to the YouTube video, and you want to paste in this Pinterest pin right here. So once you do that, you are going to start driving traffic to this pin, which is going to in turn get you clicks on this affiliate link right here and make you sales in your Digistore24 account. So basically this is all you need to do, and you want to repeat the same process for as many Pinterest pins as possible, and I can assure you, if you keep at it, you are definitely going to make sales. People are going to see this video 2 months, 5 months, even a year from now, and they are still going to see this link right here. And also keep in mind, you are also going to be getting organic traffic from Pinterest itself, and basically combining YouTube with Pinterest is a powerful strategy that is going to make you money in the long run. So basically that brings us to the end of today's video, and if you find any value, please leave a like on the video, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.